Hello students, how are you all? Hope so all of you are fine and happy. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Biology in Seconds. Today we will discuss the comparison between bones and cartilage. Let's start.
Students, there is a little bit comparison between bone and cartilage. So here are some features which I have chosen for the comparison, the features of the bone and the cartilage in a comparative fashion. So first of all, collagen. So if we talk about the collagen, means the collagen fibers in bone, they are densely packed, tightly packed. So that is why it is very strong. And cartilage, the collagen fibers, they are loosely packed. So that is why it is a little bit soft and flexible. The type of the cells, the bone have three different types of cells, namely osteoblast, osteoclast, and osteocytes. While the cartilage, they have only one type of cells, only and only the chondrocytes, the mature cartilage cells. Osteoblasts, the bone-forming cells. Osteocytes, the mature bone cells. Osteoclasts, the bone-dissolving cells. Clear? Osteoclasts. Now, if we talk about the blood vessels, so the bone has blood vessels in them, as we have seen, but in cartilage, they are devoid of blood vessels. Here, if we talk about the minerals, so in bones, there is a deposition of various minerals like calcium, like phosphate, like carbonate. But in case of cartilage, there is no deposition of minerals. And if we talk about the outer covering, so the bone's outer covering is called periosteum, while in case of cartilage, it is called as perichondrium, around the chondrium, around the cartilage and around the bone. If we talk about the flexibility, so bones are usually not flexible, while if we talk about the cartilage, so they are usually flexible. And if we talk about the strength, so bone is more stronger than the cartilage and cartilage is less stronger than the bones.